In the last video, you saw how to create a business process, which you can see here. You created a operations business process. Now you need to define the element properties. So for that, just you have to see to it that this particular tab is open. If not, you will see a arrow over here which would make this open. Now you have to define the properties for each of this task. The start element and the end element have only optional properties. However, the task elements, which is here, need their type and then type specific properties defined. For that, just click the task element, click on name, just make sure you define the task type first, which is script, because you will be writing a script. In the script, here is where you will be writing your script, but before that we'll just define the name. Say script task. Now you have to define the script. We'll just for now we'll just go with a sample script in Java, which would print hello world on your server. Just click OK. Just make sure that the script language is you have two options over here. Make sure that it is Java. Now you have defined the task properties for this. The script is defined in Java and executes the method hello world, which you defined in the script. That means it will write hello world to the standard output of the server. You will need to define properties of the timer event now, which is here, to make the process wait on the runtime so you can inspect its execution. So just click the timer event over here and you will see time duration over here. So just go on that and say 1 minute and click OK. That means that the process will wait for 1 minute on the timer event after it executes the script task defined over here. Now you have to define the name of the timer event as well. You can define it from here. Say for example, you say time ops, because we are doing it for operations, so just say time ops. Which you can see here. You have to save this business process as well. That you can do it from this button over here. You can say right now I have kept it at autosave. You can prefer doing that rather than saving the business process every time, or you can just click save, whatever is preferable. I have kept it on enable autosave, sorry. Click this button over here on the toolbar of the process designer with the process to make sure the defined process is valid. The outline of any element with one or multiple validation mistakes turn orange. So in case you have any mistakes in each of these tasks, that particular part would turn orange. So make sure that you rectify those errors if you get some. We'll see that example as well. We have started validating. and the process would be completed. So if you see, none of this task mentioned over here are have turned orange, which means the business process is executed. We'll just see an example on how when does it actually turn orange. For that, we'll just click on time ops, and we'll just delete this time duration. And we'll again start validating the process. So if you see over here, the timer has turned orange. You can obviously see the error by clicking on that timer, which says that catch even has no time date or time duration or time cycle defined. So this is one of the example of how the error will be shown. You just have to click on that particular task or timer or whatever it is to see what the error is. Just see to it that none of the task or any of the other events are orange. So this is how actually we define the properties of each of the events. I hope it helped everyone. Thanks a lot.